Hello everyone, we are SculptOK. Today, we're diving into how to use our AI image generator. First, it's text to image. Here you input a prompt, and it generates an image. We've preset various materials and styles, like wood, stone, 3D cartoon, bronze coin, and line art. Choose a style, and your generated image will carry that material's aesthetic. You can also select the image dimensions and the number of images here. Next is the image-to-image feature. It can perform style transfer on any image, using the same styles available in text-to-image. Let me highlight this 3D cartoon style. You can upload a photo of anyone, and the AI will turn it into a 3D character. It's straightforward. Once the image is generated, send it directly to our Generate 3D model tool. After configuring the necessary parameters, the system automatically creates a 360-degree 3D model for you, achieving a 2D to 3D style conversion. Now, how do we handle images with complex backgrounds? For instance, this picture has a busy background. Converting it directly might lose details. Let's convert it into a depth map and see the result. The effect isn't ideal. These blurry pixels could interfere with the AI's interpretation. Would using the AI optimization feature from depth map generation, as we covered in previous episodes, work better? Let's open AI depth map and process it with AI optimization. This time, we notice the background is still not clear enough. At this point, we can make manual adjustments based on the output. Go back to the AI map generator and input prompts to guide the AI on which elements to preserve or transform. After processing, both the main subject and the background are clearly retained, making it perfectly suitable for the next production step. The AI processes the image based on your prompts. You can continuously experiment to get the desired result. Here, I'd like to show a few examples of blending effects. Furthermore, let me give you a detailed introduction to a few special styles. This is the line art style. Using it helps extract clean line drawings. It can convert into SVG or DXF format line art. Ready for direct use in laser cutting or CAD machining. This is the bronze coin style, which previews how your image looks on a coin. You can select Draw Depth Map to enter the familiar depth map generation interface for further editing of the depth map, achieving an effect closer to your vision. Choose the laser engraving style, and it directly generates a preview of the laser engraving effect on a wooden board. This lets you visualize the possible outcome before actual production. Thanks for using SculptOK. If you found this helpful, please give us a like and subscribe.